What do your parents or friends think about you dating a foreigner?
Ooh, actually, when I was with my mom, she always referring me to a foreigner, and I'm always asking her why, and she will always say because it's good for my future or what. So I think if I will bring home a foreigner guy someday on our home, she will be super duper happy about that thing.
What nationality guy does she recommend for you?
The last thing that I remember, she recommended to me the American guy.
What do you think about it?
Oh, okay. Actually, I was a younger before when she referred me to that our American guy. First, I think about that I'm not ready for that relationship. And of course, they are foreigners, so I really need to explore my